with the exams around the corner, it might be a good idea for students to have some tips and tricks to handle exam nerves. So, here's the episode on exam phobia and exam stress.
What is exam phobia? How is it different from feeling nervous before giving exams?
It's common to feel jittery right before the exams, right? Feeling a little nervous, feeling a little tense because of, the performance, anxiety, pressure related to that, how others are going to do, how I'm going to perform. So there is a lot of expectations also from ourselves. But some amount of exam nerves is actually quite optimal because it helps you with your performance. But when that becomes a little more, like not in terms of the kind of problem, but the degree becomes a lot more than you can handle, that is when exam phobia plays a role, which actually makes you avoid the exams in total.
What are the symptoms of exam phobia?
They often experience a lot of autonomic arousal, which means that they feel jittery, their hands turn cold, the palpitation is there is racing heartbeat, and they can blank out because of having this problem.
Does diet, sleep, exercise play any important role in exam stress?
Definitely it plays a role because optimum condition is supported by a life that is well balanced. By that I mean that one is sleeping adequately, is taking care of one's nutritional needs, because we know, right, that if we are hungry, we will not perform well. It also hampers our memory consolidation.
How to study better?
First of all, study in an environment that is optimal in terms of the noise and very less in terms of distraction. Make sure that the room is well lit. Try to sit up and study because it gives your brain a message that you are alert. The ascending reticular activation system gets activated, which does not happen when you are in a supine position. Also remember that try to make the modalities the same. Like if you are going to do a paper and pencil test, it is better to write while you are studying because it will help you to perform better.
How to handle exam phobia?
Maximally try to concentrate on your preparation. How can you do that? Remember to use roadmaps of studying. Also, mental maps, flowcharts help immensely. Write what you are reading. Revise frequently. Ask questions. Survey the same topic again and again. The SQR3 technique in psychology is really helpful in this case. Also remember that while you are feeling nervous during exams, you can do yogic breathing, which is a diaphragmatic breathing technique. Also, a simple 3 plus 3 plus 3 technique will help you. That is, on the count of 3, inhale, hold your breath for 3 seconds, and again release it for 3. So, the 3 plus 3 plus 3 technique will help you to manage your nerves during the exam.